fun stop time, and today we're gonna do tongue twisters
On a rhythm.
On a rhythm.
On a track.
Subscribe.
It's not on there. They wouldn't be that kind
okay,
to help us prepare.
Okay. Oh gosh.
So
Simi,
run it then
through
now?
this. Run through it, Simi. Run
On
through
the
it.
rhythm. All right.
That's the rhythm.
Turn it up a little bit, please. 6, 7. All right.
6, 7, and go.
Peter Piper,
Peter Piper, pickle peppers. I pickle peppers. Peter Piper, pick. Peter Piper, Peter Piper, pickle peppers. Where's the pickle peppers? Peter Piper, pick.
Done. Next one. I don't think
they thought we would have done it so quickly.
I said a Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. I said a peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper he picked. And if a Peter Piper picked the peck of pickled peppers, I said he wears the peck of pickled peppers, Peter Piper picked.
I want to Peter, why him pick the pepper? After him pick the pepper, why him pickle the pepper? Then if him is a piper, why him a pick pepper? Why him not gonna play the pipe somewhere?
If Peter picked pepper, did him get burned?
No!
No?
No!
Burn in the sun?
No! They
Maybe
put the pepper for some
and then it's
exclamation.
done. No.
This is a tongue twister.
Come on, man. We're building on the story now, guys. Come on.
Peter. If Peter picked the pickled pepper, then what did Paul pick? What Paul picked?
He used one big
Stick and picked some mango. Okay, this is crazy. Are we ever gonna get past this tongue twist? Emphasis on the word stop. No, we have to see this. That's my room.
Oh, Betty. Okay.
Are we gonna get another rhythm? We're gonna get another rhythm?
Most. Also, we would want to see that graphic. So
I know. Prince, we need to see the graphic. Okay.
Cross. Hungry.
Mr.
River. Betty, what you deal with? Betty, why you do that? Take it away,
One sim. Betty butter, bitter butter, but the butter Betty bought was bitter, so Betty butter, better butter, and it was better than the butter Betty bought before.
Betty, why you do it? Betty, why you do it? Let me say Betty butter, bitter butter, but the butter better bought was better. So Betty butter, better butter, and it was better than the butter that Betty bought before.
Poor Betty. I wonder what kind of butter Betty bought.
Chiffon
a white
butter.
bitter.
Hanka butter.
If a butter bitter mean a long time, the butter still on there.
That means the butter never goes. That's why Betty never buy. That means the butter never goes. Betty buy spoiled butter. All right.
Okay.
Oh God.
Okay.
Really?
Okay, we're going. Oh.
Going back to mental.
Okay. Me say how much would I would chuck if I would chuck wood.
Say what again?
He would as much as he could and chuck as much wood as I would chuck wood if I would chuck wood.
Wood if I would chuck wood. Wood if I would chuck wood. And then I would if I would chuck wood. And I say I would chuck wood. I would chuck if I would chuck wood. He would as much as he could and chuck as much wood as I would chuck wood
if I would chuck wood. Wood if I would chuck wood. Me say wood if I would chuck wood.
Wood if I would chuck wood. Guys, we'll be here all week. If you want to come to the party, you can book us.
Why they would chuck the wood and the wood where booker up on the set with it. Okay, all right.
No, they just drop the. No, they just. I mean, what kind of party?
Oh, we have another one.
Lock off the dance. There's more.
Woo!
No, you have a track on that. You have to give us an instrumental, please.
I confuse them, Simone.
They come back with the same one.
Confuse them.
It's a cookie time. Cookie
Prince, we
Monster
like to see the finger.
is usually cross.
We
He
want
is
to see
usually
it, though.
hungry
We want
because
to
he
see it.
want
When I have the
cookie.
glasses, we
How
wanna
much
see it.
cookies could a good cook in a good cook?
We can't see it. We can't see it.
Cookie, a good cook. No, sir, we can't measure one here.
All right. How many cookies could a good cook? If a good cook could cook cookies, a good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook cookies.
Respect my girl, cause I couldn't take it on. Cause I was saying some things that would be bad for morning.
Yeah, I understood.
Yeah. Wasn't working out.
How many
Are we
cookies
taking a
could
break?
Good cook. If
Alright.
a good cook could cook cookies, a good cook could cook as much cookies as a good cook who could cook.
Take us to break.
And make up unique makeup.
Rock it up. Rock it up.